Hey everyone! So in this video we're going to do the bird dog. I find this very beneficial to give me, it also provides like a release in my SI joint, which is some people feel it, some people don't. It's really to strengthen the back and also a little bit of the legs and the arms as well. So for this position you want to start on all fours and making sure that you're in a tabletop flat back. And from here, I like to make sure that my knees are exactly hip width apart. It makes it easier, as well as my hands and wrists are directly under my shoulders. If you have hand weights and wrist sensitivity, I recommend using them or putting your weight on your fists. I don't have hand weights yet, but I plan to get some soon, hopefully. But the key to this is that you want to lift the opposite leg, opposite arm, and hold for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Back to neutral. And making sure that you're not cowing or cat spine whenever you're doing this. You really want to maintain that streak when doing opposite arm, opposite leg. 3, 4, 5, and release. You'll want to do a good 5 seconds each hold, and I would say 3 sets of 5 each. And then in line the whole time, as well as if you need a little bit more, you can, with that weight, take it up with you. I would recommend starting with 1 pound. You can also add it to your ankles if you need as well, if you have ankle weights at home. But I really hope that you start to find the benefit of this in your legs, arms, and back. And we'll see you in my next video.